Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be recreating 3 famous slimes. So if you want to learn how to make these slimes, just keep watching. The first slime we're going to be making is Rainbow Chip Frosting by Glitter Slimes. You're going to need some white school glue, some clear glue, some foaming hand soap, and I put foaming hand soap in this just to make it a bit more fluffier, you know, kind of like a buttercream frosting. You don't have to do this step, but I like it. And then I'm going to add in some vanilla buttercream so it can smell just like frosting. I also add in some lotion to help with the stretchiness of the slime. This could not be rainbow chip frosting without some type of sprinkles or foam beads, and I just had these handy, so I decided to add some foam beads. The next slime we're going to be making is Mud Mask by Unicorn Slime Shop. To start this recipe off, you're going to need some white school glue and some lotion. And to get the mud mask color, I'm going to use yellow, green, and violet. Here I thought it was going to be a good idea to add more purple to make the slime darker, but it just made it look really gray and nasty. So to fix that, I just added in more green coloring. Once you have your slime activated to this consistency, you can go ahead and make your instant snow mixture. And now you're going to grab your slime and knead it in to the instant snow mixture. Once your slime looks like this, it's ready and you can stop kneading the snow into it. And the next step is to add in your clay. I use Daiso clay for mine, but this is my favorite part of making the slime. Mixing in the clay is just so satisfying. I decided to add some more Daiso clay to mine, and you can add as much Daiso clay as you would like to get the texture that you want. And here is the finished mud mask recreation. And guys, let me tell you, this is one of the softest slimes I've ever felt. I think my new favorite combination is instant snow and clay. The last slime recreation I have for you guys is Peachy Baby's Marshmallow Twist, and this one looks so fluffy, it looks almost edible. For this recipe, you're going to need white school glue and some lotion, and you're going to mix it all together. After you activated your slime, you're going to separate it into 2 separate pieces, and you're going to color one of them light pink. Next, you're going to activate some instant snow, and you're going to separately knead your slimes into the instant snow mixture. Here Earlier I tried to pack the slime like Peachy Baby does hers. I don't know how she does it. She gets it so perfect, but I gave up on that and I just swirled them together and put them in a container, and I think it actually turned out pretty nice even though I messed it up. Alright guys, that's all I have for this video. If you want to see more slime videos like this, please leave some comments down below on what you would like to see. And please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye, thanks for watching.